Today's top news, 25th February. Prime Minister says PM Kisan Samaj Nidhi Yojana played an important role in country's resolve to make farmers' lives easier. Union Cabinet recommends imposition of President's rule in Puducherry. Government to administer COVID-19 vaccine to people above 60 years from 1st March. People above 45 with comorbidities also to be vaccinated. Prime Minister Narendra Modi strongly backs privatization program, saying government has no business to be in business. Chief Minister of Rajasthan Ashok Gehlot-led Congress government presented its third state budget and the first paperless budget on February 24th in the State Assembly. Former Delhi Police Commissioner Bhim Sen Basi may be appointed as the next Puducherry LT governor. The National Institution for Transforming India recently published its draft national policy on migrant labours. The Finance Ministry on Wednesday allowed all the private sector banks to participate in government-related business like collection of taxes, pension payments and small savings schemes. The Punjab Cabinet on Wednesday approved a new EWS policy paving the new way of construction of more than 25,000 houses for economically weaker sections. A 23-year-old labour rights activist, Nadeep Kaur, was arrested in Haryana's Sonipat on January 12 when a group formed by an association of industrial owners allegedly manhandled protesters, demanding payment of pending wages of some workers. She is facing 3 separate cases that include charges of attempt to murder and extortion. While she was granted bail in 2 cases on February 12 and February 15 respectively, she is yet to secure bail on the third case. Ahead of polls, Assam extended AFSPA for another 6 months. The existing distributed area status of Assam was extended for another 6 months from February 27th under Armed Forces Act, ahead of assembly elections in state due in April-May. Respect wisdom of voters, Kapil Sibal on Rahul's Kerala remark. The Congress position has and will always be to respect electors and their freedom of choice irrespective of location. Senior Congress leader Kapil Sibal said on Wednesday, even as he refused to comment specifically on Rahul Gandhi's North-South remarks. The government is ready to resume talks with protesting farmers if they respond to its offer to put 3 contentious farm laws on hold for 1.5 years and work out on differences during the time through a joint committee, Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar said. Travelers from 5 states including Maharashtra, Kerala and Punjab will have to show negative COVID-19 test reports before entering the national capital. Officials said on Wednesday aimed a spike in coronavirus infections in some states. Thank you, and that's all for today.